The Old Harbour Clock is a major landmark monument in the southwest St. Catherine Township of Jamaica 12. It has stood for more than a century and is an iconic part of the town's history. The clock tower was erected in memory of Robert Glaister Samuel Bell. It was declared one of Jamaica's sites of significant importance in 2008.
Ever blessed people, welcome to another video. Today guys, I'm gonna take you to a new location right here in St. Catherine. Today's destination, my people, is to Colbeck Castle. And today, my people, I have a YouTuber hailing from out Canada. I will be introducing you to my camera in short order. So my people, stay tuned and watch what we're doing. Whole Harbour Town. Whole Harbour Town. Now we're walking through today. So my people, let's go. So guys, we are now at Colbeck Castle, Jamaica Heritage Trust, and it is that way. Alright my people, so stay tuned and watch how we take on the journey. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of how you get to the castle. Yeah man. They're doing a little workman here doing a little road improvement. It's a farming here, my guys. It's a farming here, right? So I do not go road improvements there. Morning, morning. Okay. Stay tuned and watch that go on. You go beside me, G? I got you. If I'm just traveling to another place, you two are straight out. Who want shout out? Who want shout out to where?
You love shout out. We are asked.
I'm not interview, man. I ever blessed travel, you just have to go ever blessed travel. Ever blessed travels, I got you.
Oh, me don't know boy.
You don't know about ever blessed travel? Alright, my people, him say him have to know about, him have to know exactly where I go, but at the same time, him work, him do road improvement. Him make it this area more easier to traverse. Pick up his head, maybe. Alright, go. Let me go through the work, man. Say you load up your barrel. Go and load up, I see ya. Go and load up, man. Yeah. Road improvement to the castle. Some people, they might just make it easier for the persons who traverse to the heritage side. Alright, my G. Big up yourself. Wow, kind of muddy here, sir. But we take a look at it. By now and later on, it will be a little better. Alright. Chop this. Go on this here part, man. Guys, as I didn't indicate to you earlier, that this area is farming area. There is chicken in this area. They plant callaloo. They plant cabbage, okra, sweet pepper, sweet potato, pepper, melon, onion, scallion, every little type of food, grown provision, sweet corn is this road. They traverse this road to do farming. Some people. As I was doing a walking vlog this morning. Yeah man, I mix it up, you know. Mix it up. Every place I walk today here, we're gonna be cooking today, people. We're gonna be cooking. And we're gonna watch the chef from out of Canada cook today. What he's gonna cook. We'll just wait and see what he's gonna cook. Stay tuned for that, my people. Food soon come. Ever blessed travels. In the distance is Colbeck Castle, and I'm gonna be showing you, for sure, I will be showing you the structure of the remainders of the history of that area that they call Colbeck Castle, a heritage. It is restored as a heritage site. But away from that, we are a distance away where we are in the bush. That means this is the area that we do farming, and we will be cooking. The red men are not here today. Disappointingly, I was hoping that we'll be cooking for a couple of persons. And I'm gonna want you, my people, to guess who will be cooking today. I'll be introducing him to my camera shortly. My people, Ever Blessed Travelers is traveling, and today, guys, we are on this adventure on the farm. I've been to this area several times before, but this time, guess who we have? The big chef. Yes, sir. All right. See how the museum people. All right. And in the distance there, you people hear me talk all the while about Canjamcooks is in the house. He is out of Canada. And my people, when you say we can come cook, we line out one table with a sink on it. And we are taking him out in comfort zone in big pretty kitchen we have for Canada. And we have in a bush a cook. Canjamcooks. Big up yourself, my G. Finally we have your knife. Me tell me people one at time say I want to see your live or you wheel your knife in the chicken, the man. And guess what you do? You cut up most of it already before me come back. Me people, I'm gonna encourage you, my people, to this gentleman here. Him no play with cooking. And I'm gonna ask of you, my people, my loyal subscribers, to go across and check out Canjamcooks. When you hear how often, for the persons who follow me continuously, when you continue to hear me talk about Canjamcooks, see him on my camera today. Canjamcooks. What go on, me G? Canjamcooks, I know me a problem with that. This a man here. No kill nothing around a long time and not make blood draw from you. And me also with the impression that we give you one place to cook when it's stable, like where you used to. You have
to learn to adapt.
Oh, so you're adapting to a cut? Okay. So, but me can't cook in a Canjam. Me not even know if I give a good ratings for food. Me just know how to deal with food and deal with food wicked. Okay. That's why they call me foodie, you know. Right. You call me foodie too. Yeah, when I want to call me foodie too. So what they say you share also? Yeah, share. Me no know why me can't get used to this a color gungo. This is called gungo peas. I see them you call pigeon peas, right?
Right.
In which country they call it pigeon peas?
I don't know which country they call it pigeon peas.
But
this are the gungo I cook the best rice and peas. Pretty like money.
You know me see J-Bud cooking yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Peanut.
Porridge.
He man use peanut and cook rice and peas.
Yeah.
J-Bud.
When though?
He cook the red pea, the peanut, and then had in rice and all these things in there. And it look like, you know? Mm-hmm. J-Bud, don't worry yourself. Me come check you out first where you going. And the fire we have a wood fire we are. No, we have another problem. People say this name stick. My brother, I like them at the Lord.
Yeah.
This name firewood done.
Yeah.
But when in the fire on the pan, we name now wood, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
When fire on the pan, you name firewood.
Firewood or fire stick.
Yeah.
But when the fire on the pan, you wood.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I was talking to a guy the other day, and I was saying to him, we're tired of people that twist the way how we talk. You know? We can't say what we feel like. Say people just twist it and mean something else. All right. So I'm gonna give Canjams a couple minutes.
Shame we don't have a cutting board.
Yeah. So you mentioned cooking board. I tell me, say you miss Canada. You know?
No.
No, but I remember to carry one. Come here.
The one.
I was gonna bring one.
We know one thing. You have no cotton board.
Right.
We want. Yeah. Bush style.
Yeah. And that's why I explain and tell you. It might be a difference from in your kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So we are bringing water and comfort zone. With people.
Yeah.
So now, today we are going to test if a real Canjam cook this. And a lot of persons is wondering why your channel is called Canjamcooks.
Canadian Jamaican.
Same so
Really, it's a Jamaican Canadian.
So you see, you get the answer without me have to come and spill it out, my people.
Right.
From the
I wanted to call it Jamaican Canadian, but Canjam sounded a little bit better.
Or a little bit shorter. Yeah.
Well, I was gonna call it Jam Can, but Canjam sound a little bit roll off the tongue a little bit.
Yeah. But when also a lot of persons might confuse themselves and say, no, but the allspice nice that.
Yeah.
But allspice
The name was just a little bit too common.
And then a lot of my people couldn't find you. So when I say allspice, they must say, me can't find, you know, when I send the channel and say, no, we can't find that.
Right.
But especially if you don't send the link.
Okay.
Yeah, but when you send the link, you know, so it's much easier.
Right.
All right, my people. All right, so them chicken here, I got curry. Who I got curry them? Canjamcooks. Man, call the man by name, brother.
Yeah.
My government.
Yeah. Enjoy your life.
Yeah.
Enjoy your life. Although I work with that butcher work today. Yeah, but enjoy your life.
Okay.
And me customer light fire upon him.
Yeah.
For me, if it up on him. Okay.
That's not my fault.
Yeah, so you go, man. Sometimes we have to
Life is
understand.
nice, man. We enjoy it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So my people, chicken, and we have them tomato here. Small.
Yes.
Okay, we'll work with it.
Yes, we have to work
Small,
with
because we either one they go on a man.
So, but we eat out of style, man. We eat out of paper plate of bush.
They want to put
Me think a calabash we eat out of.
No, we have pudding and we have pot.
So my food will come out of this.
Yes, and the one you have to
Emma bless how we eat out of this. Alright. And we have flour.
The banana leaf over there.
Yeah. So that's what we should have used and give as a curtain, as a plate cloth. A table towel. Alright, and we have this is a real Jamaican thing. So this is how we buy with flour. We want 2 pounds of flour, so we say pound and a half of flour, half pound of cornmeal. So we call that mixed flour. And at the corner shop they sell that. Alright. Some people. We just a look. We have 2 happily as a look lonely. They want to go in one belly. Yeah, man. Alright. And today we are going to drink syrup. Yeah, man. And we are throw one turbo in it. I turbo that we're gonna. Yeah,
So
man.
what's turbo?
We don't know whether they might try to, you know. Turbo plus, Terra plus,
like,
or Thor plus.
Is it like a Gatorade kind of energy drink?
No, man, it's like a quench aid. It's like a Kool-Aid thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Onion.
So, O'Neill
Right.
is washing
Water is good.
his meat, and the fire is getting ready. So,
I'm watching the chicken, not my meat.
oh, it's not your meat? Are you prepare it? It's your meat.
Oh, my meat's good, man. I don't watch my meat.
So you don't wash your meat on camera?
No,
Okay.
YouTube will block that.
Okay.
Mm.
Alright, people. Meat are properly washed. Only Canjamcooks and a chicken in my wash. Not meat. One ever bless. One ever blesses here. I'll show you guys how Canjamcooks curry chicken. Alright, we're showing the season part. Now we're gonna lock off until when we reach to the part where we fry it or when we eat it. Something like that. Alright, stay tuned and watch what go on. Real Jamaican curry.
What are you saying? The one I'm using is fake?
I don't know about you. It's a real Jamaican curry. We have to talk about the product. We product, we have to defend that. Alright. The best curry you ever used.
That's not fun. Yeah, there's only one. Oh, cool. Yes, alright.
Short them, right?
So Canjam is using 2 for.
I apologize, sir.
Yeah, we don't want your elephant can come and complain with the product that we have. You know me, you know, so we have the best, yeah.
Definitely. That's why I'm here.
Oh, you're me. Alright. So my people, I curry that. In a couple minutes from now, it in a plate. And when you go in a plate, in my belly to go. And my rub it.
So one thing I'm not seeing right here.
Pepper.
Scotch bonnet.
We don't know me for that. Yeah, pepper.
Every good curry has Scotch bonnet.
So we will have to find where with our bush, you know, with up on the farm, so we likely to find. So we're gonna be searching. So we're not gonna cook.
You know you're right. This curry is better than the one I get.
Then bro,
I can smell it.
yeah.
And it's not even cooked yet.
Yeah, alright. Jamaica thing, eh?
So we're not fighting, don't we
No.
tell us that we are the best.
Yeah, see my people say. Canjamcooks said that. And from the real chef said that, hey, bad. When you don't cook it, I go wicked. No joke.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still gone to the test.
This is what we are doing for testing skill.
Yeah.
So when in the yard, you would have just put it on the stove, they would have sit down, turn, do what I do. But yes or no, him not know this towel, him have to get piece of paper, hold it pot, when him a turn, the fire stone a turn over with all the pots in there.
You don't know who if you do.
I know what we do.
What you see?
Funny thing is, you guys think it's the first time I'm cooking outside.
Not outside, bush.
But it's never reach you.
On camp.
Wait, what camp?
Out in Canada.
What you do there? You use wood fire?
Yes.
Eh?
Yeah, but the partner that don't know by fire like this though.
Same thing. You have to learn to balance.
You see, you come with faith in there. In that glass, when I'm out, you can't cry.
If I thought, we up there last night and it's up there, I shop and I cried. I say, what happened to you? You miss mama. What other mama I miss? A wife here, if you did them.
Oh yeah, sir.
Yeah, man.
So quick?
Yes, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
You can't take them from nowhere.
Yeah, man.
So we have in bush talk, guys. Watermelon.
Underwater. I'm on 10 by 14, but it's the one thing. Turn up on my window. Lee saying Gio.
No, I'm not go look again.
Eh? Brother, find a city, brother.
Well, I'm not go look.
You sell it? Everybody?
Lee, you sure you give me?
Hold on, come here. Come here. Lee, my.
You not catch up with the glove?
Yeah.
No, let me go look again. Let me go look.
Yeah, that take you. Alright.
Lee, don't make me have anything, you know.
I'm here plastic bags though.
No, listen, you listen. I want to go in that car, you take them and put it in like a chunk.
You run bad. Yeah. Terrible. Yeah, man.
Go up south on the side. Fire blow over that way.
And one of the best things, you can never lose a breed eye. Because anytime it bear, whenever time it dry up on its tree, and the sun get hot, it pop. And anytime it pop, the seeds scatter all about over the place.
Wow.
So you see, when little rain fall, all of them grow. So you don't have to plant it, so you can't lose the crop of it. And this bungo come in before Christmas. And continue beer go right
Would you
now.
like to see rice and peas?
Alright. This basin here, any one tree, you one of this basin full. Any one tree.
Wow.
So we can't afford to lose the breed.
Would you like to see rice
And
and peas?
when you use the coconut juice in this, in the rice and peas, it's pretty. Tell you overeat and can't tap it. That me I try to tell you, 'cause it's pretty bad.
Hold on, yeah, talk about pretty, but you not talk about the taste.
It's very tasty, very good. very good.
Well, I would like to taste it.
Now I'm going to send some Muggy Delva.
Oh, so he might get a chance to taste
They might
it.
get a chance to taste it.
Okay.
Nice, man.
So you cook some Sunday?
Yeah, the man come and call him, man, and the man asking, the man listen to me good. And he said, my instructor,
I'm not good at tasting, not good at eating.
You're eating?
the instructor, the professional work.
Pepper.
Yeah?
Pepper berries. You say
That's
one
it.
pepper?
Yeah, man. Make correct tasty. You taste it correct? Taste it correct.
That's
It
it.
tastes like one pepper.
Eh?
Nah,
Yeah.
bro.
It's not hot.
Where are we? That's it. I wish that's it.
Yeah. I think it's short on pepper and then you're good. Canjamcooks is best.
Yeah.
And we are going to give the food the ratings without any.
Then that me I say, Kyle, I said,
Oh.
yeah.
What you say? What you
So
say?
you're going with?
Scotch bonnet pepper.
I whole family with a butcher cook, man. I'm never them. Yeah, you remember that cassava business? I like you when I call the name. Man, we have cook cassava and some dumpling and curry chicken.
Yeah, man. But we only looking forward to some more spectators
That's all,
and
man.
spectators. All right. When the people when see Canjamcooks, I want to
Nice,
stick
man. We
with the
have
people.
some, man. I'm family there, man.
Because I sit back in my store. We didn't wrong on.
Left one.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Craig, you have left and you have right, right? This is the right hand. And that is the left hand.
Alright, you want me to switch it up?
No, we're not a problem with that. We only want to see that use the wrong hand.
There's no wrong hand.
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
people use two hands.
All right. And the boss himself said that.
Listen, right now the food is so good, man. Grab a pot.
But we don't know why he keep on a stir the pot and a play with man ego.
Yeah, man. Every time, if you notice, every time we come around,
Yeah, he stir it a little more.
Listen,
You
man.
know that.
And I make it, hey, this is curry, this is on your belly.
And get back to
Come on, get the food ready, bro.
Listen, man. Ready for the next part.
I'm paying no one.
What your question?
How much flour that you cook? My
Your question thing.
One more flour.
Might be get scared because he knows enough over there, but if he knows it's a correct something sometime with this dangerous.
Open the back.
Good morning, that man. Say cheap on you. No.
I can see when we don't eat 1 hour, I go sit down and can't get
Never that chat, because you not eat enough bread.
I understand. Who tell some night? Let me take.
Left the bag.
Oh, shit. Take wash out last night.
Yeah, I need some water.
Take wash out from last night.
So Canadian plus American.
So listen.
Yes.
And we are Jamaicans and we just sit down and watch them cook a bush.
Canjamcooks.
Canjamcooks?
American.
Okay. So that's fire. He's waiting for the pot to be on. So I thought the pot would be on. This, my people, me feel like I can't jump want to give you food now.
Slow.
Family, Canjamcooks, I need dumpling And the pot is on a top fire. And the pot is available to be on.
And all these guns stand up around me.
Yeah. Because we just a bit family, we are pressuring to make sure that he want to do everything. We don't want to have no excuse to say nobody helping spoil it. So if it falls spoil now, it must say American spoil it. Right. Okay. Alright, that is it. No playing. We have peeling cassava. New way to get the skin off cassava. You can see tool, you can see equipment without it. Right. New way of peeling cassava. We normally peel it in a ring round, so take the skin off in a ring around. This is new.
Canjamcooks.
Oh, you mean? I only hope you gotta take off everything, you know, because it have a it's new. Alright, one more to go.
How much you want?
I don't know how much. Before? Before and after. New way of removing the peel from cassava. No joke. The pot there, in the cinema. Yeah? That's a problem when you take off your name, you know. That I go hot in a brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use the
Real bushman thing.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Put some stick in
I don't want it to blow away.
No, it's a both sides.
a bush me there cook.
Okay, we'll do a next one when it's ready.
Alright.
Yeah, push up wood under fire. You sure?
You get him, you know?
Me know.
Greg, what wine I put?
Dumpling.
And what?
Dumpling.
And what?
And pumpkin.
No?
Why not? What else in it?
Cassava.
Wait, so hold on. I want to put the cassava in that pot.
Cassava's in the pot, bro.
Cassava in I pot, bro.
I want a bitter one.
No?
The bitter one will kill you.
Everybody belly swell today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Really covered.
Okay.
Yeah. Can't tell my people. Canjamcooks dumpling them ready. Don't get cassava they split up my youth. So you see if you split up cassava, put it on top. That one is firm. Not that firm one, yes, the split one. Oh, that one is cooking.
Yes, the cassava's not ready.
Yeah, see one over there, sir. Yeah, see one split over there. That one is nice. This one is coming on nicely. Yeah. Cassava. Well, we're going to see how the peeling turn out because him use the carrot peeler.
But the bad man.
Use this to peel the cassava. We have never seen that here. It's new to us. Alright, this one I used to do vegetables and carrots and...
This one's yours, Craig.
Yeah, oh.
I'm going to take one of them here, O'Neill.
Yeah.
I'll take one of the peeler here.
Yeah, you can. I'm gonna leave it off.
Okay.
That is it, you know. That is it. One Canjamcook, one never best shops. Never see them anywhere. Never. Alright, the Bushman style. Alright. Fire burn over the side over there. No joke. This is not covered, bro.
I know.
I want to see you cover it. You using a cutlass?
Yeah.
A machete?
That's it.
Alright.
Gone.
Gun again? Alright, fighting with a cover. Oh yes, get it right this time.
Good timing.
Yeah.
Alright,
Good timing, you know there. You think I say go? You have the passport of a good timing.
No worries, sir. We might still pull up anytime now.
You better pull up, but that's what I try to tell you. If I find the pot come off for heat food, I will start heat.
I got heat, buddy.
Bless people.
Get cons-
Food is ready. I have a blessing gonna get his in this. 3 dumplings, 1 piece of cassava, and whole heap of meat. Not donkey meat.
Yeah.
Chicken. Curry chicken.
Yeah, pardon.
This looks like a 2 plate. How much plate have you? You know, so me feel like you want double part. I then plate it up.
Yeah.
Eat. The curry not cut the dumpling. Come what you want of them thin. Yeah. So you know, so if you wait till you come out of the pot before you come in there?
Yeah, man, it go wait. You can hold in there. The size of the pot, I'll creek can come in there too.
Me do that.
Everton, you don't know what I take on that. You know, see that? Yeah.
I think it's dumpling. I'm not like a dog. Bro, I just like to show off about food. I like to see what food. I don't want to eat and kind. Alright, let's see if we can do 3 dumplings. I'm going to do 3 dumplings.
We get more meat, okay?
So I'm going to take 1 more dumpling.
All right, ever bless. Travels.
Yes.
Let's see how you're gonna travel with this dumpling.
Yeah, man, I'm not going to be playing. So let me taste it for you. Let me tell you already. I was in Tampa. I went to buy a burger, and when the time was come for me to give a ratings as to what I eat, I couldn't manage. I just hey, why is it? Canjamcooks was yours.
Yeah?
He was here.
Yeah? Nice.
Yeah. I want to notice the cassava peel thing work.
Canjam, you know how long and how much per man me free. And the Canjam, why you come to Jamaica and put up cook. And you see that kitchen all the while. But today, you have been 2 events, sir.
Yeah, man, finally.
Nice.
Canjamcooks done it. Yeah. Curry chicken and dumpling. Solid. Let me get a little bit of anything before I go. Oh, okay. Not sure. Curry chicken and dumpling.
Yes, please.
Slip it, bro.
Oh! Somebody feel hungry.
I'm so upset.
O'Neil, when you eat and piece drop, somebody feel hungry.
But who is it?
Who is it?
One Canjamcooks in the house. The big chef for the day. Finally, my people, we get a chance. Long awaiting. Yeah. So when are you gonna allow him to cook for you?
recipe.
Don't answer food that is done.
Can I get second?
Yeah, man. Come on. Hallelujah, that's your best. Eat a couple of chicken.
What can I say? Come.
How much more? 2 more dumplings go find now.
Man.
If you not eat them, maybe eat you know.
2
So
plus.
me eat how much are you? 2?
3.
No, man, not 2, man.
If you not eat half of me, I beat you know. And if you eat half of me, I beat you know.
So my people, me as I know, so I'm a foodie, my plate empty. But cassava, I don't know for some reason, me still try to eat the cassava in the work.
Canjam, I can sit down a little bit and rest up.
You've been tiling all day
Yeah.
to make sure we get a meal. I would get curry chicken, and how we feel about the curry chicken. Bad.
It's been delicious.
Curry chicken bad, my G.
I'm like, you know, starve.
Right.
Right. Oh, you put higher. Wow.
The ingredients make a world of a difference, though, man.
Yeah.
Scotch bonnet pepper from the field.
Yeah.
Mm.
Farm.
And that's it for today, folks. We
Nice.
just had an incredible feast prepared by the chef deep in the peaceful bushes of Colbeck. Truly a hidden gem for food lovers. But this is just the beginning. Very soon, Everblessed Travels will bring you a full tour of the historic Colbeck Castle, uncovering its rich stories and stunning views. Until next time, remember, ever bless, never stress.